Welcome to Bottega Torciano. This is the shop, but we have 5 winery. Now you have the hard job. Now you cook. Okay? Montecarlo. Now you taste the wine here. You have 2 jobs. Nice. In the kitchen. This is all pasta because we made pasta.
Yeah, that's easy.
You remember that?
And I am the chef.
Ah.
Please, this is Prosecco.
Prosecco.
That's it. Prosecco. We're gonna be drunk before we finish.
Yeah.
Good food, son.
Yeah. Wait,
Oh yes, the chef's drink.
the chef's gonna get drunk?
Very important.
Allora, cin cin. I've got the job,
Alright, thank you. We haven't done anything yet.
Oh, semolina.
No, semola.
Semola. Semola.
Semola.
Yes.
Let me see how much he's gonna screw up.
You're gonna want to zoom in on that number though.
I know. Very.
Get it to 1, baby.
Okay.
100, there we go.
100.
100
Yes.
grams. Alright, next.
Next.
The farina.
This is. I don't have a sign.
Formaggio.
Almost there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. And now, we just dump it here.
Too many?
All right. Am I up?
You're gonna do something different, I think.
Grazie.
This 100-gram water. Into the water, I put 10 grams yeast fresh yeast.
10 grams of yeast.
Fresh yeast, this. Okay?
Yeah.
10 grams into the water.
That's 10 grams already.
No, 25.
Oh, you put 10 in.
25. Get your water. Get your water, boy.
Alright. Water and 10 grams of yeast. What if you put too much
You
in?
have the glass.
Oh, is it? That's
2,
sparkling.
This
What
is
is that?
sparkling rosé.
Oh, it's even better.
6, 8.
Yeah, please. Prego.
Alright, this is gonna be it. Maybe not.
This is rosé sparkling. This one we produce in
Yes.
Gimignano.
Okay.
Alright, I got it. Sugar.
Sugar.
We made a hole in the pasta to put the water in.
No, I didn't put more salt.
So we added 10 grams of salt, 2 grams of sugar, put it in the middle. At some point the water will go in with the yeast.
Now, with the finger, mix it up.
No. Oh, it's already soft.
This feels weird.
Okay.
I love that. I was gonna say it.
Water.
Oh, just a little bit. Just a little, okay. And then we move it around.
Maybe not.
Do you keep pouring and just keep pouring in?
Yeah, all flour, all water,
Until you use all the water.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like I'm building a little sand fort here. spilled some on the floor.
That's
No,
why,
you
yeah,
didn't.
yeah. I lost some dough too. Don't feel bad.
There goes your pizza.
Here's my pizza. Oh, we have to use 2 hands?
Yes.
All right.
Makes it.
This is the fun part.
Okay.
The rolling. All right.
Press. And we roll it in.
All right. Wheat, olive oil, sugar, and what else?
You gonna make it with us?
It's the first time.
First time.
Yeah, right.
La pizza. Come si fa? Ma con questo ora? Allora, you look me,
Oh.
I think he's done this before.
Questa pesa una maniera più grande. This is
Sì,
for
Andy?
me. I cook for me, eh?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
This is the first time, eh?
Uh-huh.
Round.
Yeah.
Mine squared.
He's making me look good.
That's good.
Okay.
See? Look at what I check.
Luca.
Oh,
Round.
round che significa?
Tonda.
Ah, round,
Oh,
tu.
yeah.
No problem.
That looks pretty good.
This is really his first time.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Really?
Oh.
It's experiment.
Yes, it is an
If
experiment.
it's okay, I work in the
In the
In the kitchen.
kitchen.
All right.
It's very big.
That's a big pizza.
Yeah, that's a big thin pizza. Pizza.
Ok.
Che culo.
Basta.
Very lucky.
Yeah. Think you're gonna
Sta
have
fermo
tostada?
così. Non fare nient'altro.
You're gonna have a tostada, Luca.
For my friend. For you, a little bit.
Little bit.
Where is your glass?
I don't know.
What's your name?
Andy.
And
Andy. It's possible I forget your name. Sorry.
How's that possible?
So,
For you is easy. Only one name, Luca and Anita.
Anita,
Questo is your
Luca.
name.
Yeah, no.
Spettacolare. Ma perché quella lì era grossa quella che avevo preso, capito? Perciò avevo...
me l'hai
presto.
evitata troppo. Sì, perché.
All right. I have the smallest one here, I think.
Vabbè, ne parliamo dopo. La puma,
So,
la incappa.
that has,
One moment.
Oh, okay.
One moment. You're jumping the gun. I'm gonna have a problem, I'm sure. My experience cooking TV dinners is not gonna help me tonight.
Ok. I take it. New York. October, da ottobre.
That looks terrible.
From April, New York, Chicago, Houston, Los Angeles, all in the house of people tasting wine. Yes. Tomato.
Tomato. Little in the middle.
Yes.
Now the hard part.
Yes.
No,
Wait.
back of the spoon. Use the.
Okay. Where is your job in America?
Well, I'm kind of semi-retired, and I have a YouTube channel.
Ah.
You're gonna be famous.
Ah, yes.
Yeah, well, sometimes.
I like too much onion.
Should I get some more sauce on this?
Yes.
Okay,
Onion, garlic, you
I
know.
will add some more sauce. All right, let me have a little bit more. Okay, whoop.
I don't know if mine has enough sauce either. But
All right.
it'll be alright.
Ok, perfetto, my friend. Ah, sì?
Già.
allora
Did you use all the cheese?
It was not a full bag. Don't touch.
I'm getting a cheeseless pizza.
Yes.
My pizza looks pretty sad
It's not
right
a
now.
good job, eh?
No.
I think I have a problem.
It really was his first time.
Così.
Oh, is there cheese?
Now, Anita, help me.
It's a
And she saved the pizza.
Beautiful.
Do we get cheese?
Nope.
We're done.
You don't like cheese.
Only on pizza I like cheese.
Oh my God, you and Kyle.
I used to take the cheese off the pizza when I was younger, but I've matured.
I'm weird with my cheese. If it's melted, I'll eat it.
Right.
Mozzarella, I'll eat it. Anything else, I'm like,
No, sicuro? No, dammi.
He's cutting the cheese.
Okay.
Yes.
Mozzarella.
Okay, mozzarella. How much?
Whatever you want.
Oh.
That depends on you. I'll take it.
Depends.
All right,
Yes.
whatever is normal.
I like too much.
You like too much?
Yes.
I'll do a little bit. I mean, everyone else has a lot. I have to do more.
Esagerato.
Hai esagerato.
Fare troppo figo non a me bene, ci inizia a farlo, perché manca a scuola.
All right, that's good.
Poquito más.
Poquito más.
It's starting to look like a pizza now.
Ti stai emozionando, Hai fatto
No, perché di solito è sempre più piccolo, invece ho preso quella pallina secondo me grande.
All right, the question is, will this be better than Sbarro or California Pizza Kitchen?
Yes.
Oh, you can't decide.
Prosciutto.
Prosciutto.
Onion.
Oh yeah, where's my onion? I'll have a little more, please. I gotta put on top.
Ragazzi, it's
there we
beautiful pizza. If my
Throw some.
He wants some onion.
There we go.
onion. If
Yep.
you want more onion, you tell me, We have.
One more.
Some people have added prosciutto to their
Prosciutto.
pizza. All right, 200 Celsius.
200 Celsius?
Yes.
Por favor would be.
There's the onion over there. I mean, there's the oven.
Please.
200 degrees centigrade. 6 or 7 minutes. That must be a hot oven. Alright. I am number 4 from the top. Pizza number 4. Oh yeah, that looks good.
Allora,
I think we're drinking wine tonight.
mozzarella for signora Giovanna.
That looks like a real pizza.
Sorry,
And that one's
forget.
mine.
This is for you. I remember the.
Oh, yeah.
The geometric, the geometric form.
Yes.
Oh baby.
And I put those extra
This
ones.
is for
Don't touch my pizza. That actually looks pretty good. Wow.
Oh.
This is
This is awesome. They do look good.
okay.
That oven's doing a good job.
This is for you.
Mine didn't
All right.
cook, that's the
They
problem.
give me like a nice flavor.
Not only is this pizza excellent, it's probably one of the best pizzas I've ever had.
I like that.
Maybe because everything is fresh,
No, sorry.
but this is awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, I got my certificate. This is awesome.